Hello, friends, and welcome to Wagmi Tarot. I'm really delighted to be bringing to you readings for the week of April 20 to 26. And I hope all of you are safe and healthy wherever you are. Just recently, I also brought out a reading, a fairly detailed reading for coronavirus. How will it end? What impact it is going to have on our lives? How long it may take to end? What is our purpose? What is the purpose of this pandemic and the fact that all of us are going through it together. Do check it out. You may find a lot of answers to your questions through that reading, but that's not going to be the last one on coronavirus. I'm going to put more predictions out, more tarot messages out relating to the pandemic. And after having made that reading, now as I do this another reading for the week of April 20 to 26, I see a lot of messages repeating or resonating or coming out, and I think they are very profound and very relevant to what we are all going through. So without any delay, I'm just going to start looking at these cards which I have taken out for this week. And I see that all of us, while we are all locked down in our homes, we are maybe not going to work, we are all restricted in many ways, we are called upon to do something. Each of us is called upon to do something. Now, that calling could be on a very personal level. Did you want to develop a skill? Did you want to learn something more about your career, your work? Did you want to reflect on yourself? Did you want to start painting again or do some social work? Do you want to work on your relationships? Was there something, a decision that you were putting off and suddenly you have time to think about it? And that is what we have to do, a lot of things to complete in this time. We are called upon to do something. There is a lot of work that we need to do. And there's a very beautiful saying in the Hindu philosophy which constantly reminds us that you should work without the expectation of a reward. Now, as we are called upon to do this work, it could be personal, it could be outside of us, it could be self-development, it could also be to take decisions about other things outside of us, it could be to do with other people, to do some justice, to think about other people, to think about the direction of life. It just could be hundreds of possibility, and every person will have a unique calling. Maybe someone is just called to entertain their families as everybody is going through this pandemic. And we know that there are people who are being recognized for their work right now, who are undervalued all this while. And suddenly the whole world is dependent on these people. And that's why I think this card, the High Priestess, is hiding the reward right now. From my reading, I do see that there is a reward somewhere in the future for all of us. But that reward is conditional on completing the task that you are called upon to do now. Yeah, this reward is conditional. This return, this opening up of things. You know, a lot of you may be thinking, what use am I at home? I am not making a big difference to the world by cleaning the dishes and mopping my floor. I am not making a big difference to the world by singing for my family or playing guitar every now and then so that people across my building or people in my family are feeling happy. Right now is not the time when you can judge your value with conventional measures or standards. That is a very important message coming out over here. Your calling may change during this time. You may be called upon by the spirit, by the universe, to do something different than you were doing. And maybe this week you will hear that calling even more clearly. That calling could just be about changing yourself in some way, doing things that you've never done before. and just accepting that calling, just listening to that voice inside you, accepting a responsibility, a duty, even if it means changing everything. And I'm sure you've already changed. It could mean even a change like opting for a certain kind of food compared with what you used to have earlier because it's not easy to cook right now, or it's easier to cook healthier options and things like that. Every person at their level needs to listen to this call of constructive work. This time has been given to all of us, a lot of us, for constructive work. Now, you may even say that, what about the poor? They are the hardest hit during this crisis. Well, perhaps their work is to suffer and or to find out ways that can protect them in a time when this whole when this kind of a thing recurs. For example, maybe in a lot of countries unorganized labor may think that they need some security mechanism, some protection mechanism. Maybe people will come forward to devise that. And so that's why I'm saying that this time, a lot of people are saying they're bored, but for all you know, this time is actually a hectic time for all of you. And this week is saying that please listen to your calling. Please do what is asked of you without the expectation of rewards. You can't see the reward right now, but that doesn't mean that you will not work on your calling. You must do that. It could be improving your relationship, it could be getting closer to your family, it could be understanding yourself better. But please listen to this voice, accept this responsibility, and do it. Perform it to the best of your sincerity, and sincerity leads to prosperity. There cannot be any prosperity without sincerity. That is the veil. Right now we are in that veil of time where we don't know where our efforts are going. We may find it useless, we may term it as time pass, but you may not be just able to fathom where it may lead you later. So heed your call, and that's why I got this overall very beautiful oracle message saying, hearing messages from spirit. I'm a clear channel for messages from spirit. When I got this card, I understood the meaning of these three cards even better. Hearing messages from spirit. Yeah, those messages could be very subtle. They could be realizations. They could be regret. They could be eye openers. They could be anything. They may not even be so dramatic. They may just be helping out with cooking and looking after children. They may be very simple. But we are so used to having a big purpose to what we do. Making big money, or making name and fame for ourselves, or building a big corporation, or rising ranks, or getting praise from people. We are always doing things with the motive of an incentive, and this week is a call to change that outlook. If the incentive is not there, would you do sincerely what you are called upon to do? And this question is going to make, or is going to basically is going to make us ask if all the work that the cleaners, the helpers, people who pick up garbage, people who deliver, people who stack racks in supermarkets, all these people do, is that is all that thankless work without a reward? Are they not needed? Should that work not be done just because nobody rises up ranks or makes big money or gets name or fame? There are many things that we are called to now ask, so that we can get answers to them, so that we can work in that direction. And so I think the big message for this week is that we are entrusted with a huge responsibility of contributing in our individual way. We must listen to that calling, and that would eventually lead us to a better world, a more equitable world, and a better version of ourselves. If you can see the imagery, you can also compare how there is someone who's doing some humble work and how that person actually transforms to be a person with crown and the things that he's working towards in his hand or in her hand. So I leave you with these messages. It's a really profound message for this week. I leave you with the request to embrace your calling, your responsibilities, and fulfill them. If you like my reading, please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. It really encourages me a lot. And I'm soon going to put out readings, monthly readings by sun sign for your benefit, because I've got a lot of requests for that people want to see their readings by their sun sign. I think people, it makes it more personalized in some way. So I'm very happy to do it, and I'm going to bring them out for the month of May. And till then, please keep safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.